A gift of seeds is a greeting card combined with a packet of seeds. So you can write a message on the back, and then inside, I'll just show you, that opens like that. That flips down. There's sewing instructions there. And this here is actually a tearaway plant label. So you can pop that off and pop that in the soil. And then of course you have your seeds. So just like a typical pack of seeds from a nursery. They also come with an envelope. So just like a regular greeting card. And that's that.